Welcome to this week's video, and it's finally December, which means that the tinsel's come out and we're hopefully going to be looking at Christmas coins throughout the month. So the first coin that we're going to be checking out is the 2019 50p coin from the Royal Mint, which features the Snowman, and it's actually the second one that they've made now, so they made one in 2018. So before we get started, I want to know in the comment section below which one do you prefer, the 2018 or this one. Now this is how it arrived in the Royal Mint handbag, front and back, and I'm going to do my usual thing now where I just open it up. But if you bought this coin yourselves and you don't want to open it but want to see all the information that you get inside and how it's presented, then this is it. And again, onto the back. I'm just going to open it up and scan along on each page, leaving it there long enough so that if you want to pause it and read it at your own pace, you can. And then we've got some awesome illustrations by Raymond Briggs there. And some more on this side. And then actually we've got a little piece there about Raymond Briggs. And then background to the back and the front. And on the back we've got a little bit more information before we check out the coin specs. So it's a 50p coin, the alloy is copper nickel, the weight is 8 grams, diameter 27.30 millimeters. The quality is Brilliant Uncirculated, the obverse designer is Jody Clark and the reverse designer Snowman Enterprises. So with the coin, we'll start off by having a look at the obverse. There it is, let me just see if I can stop that from flickering. So 2019. Jody Clark's 5th portrait of the Queen. And now let's have a look at the reverse of the coin. And there it is. So it's the snowman with the boy stood in front of him. And I think it's pretty cool. Personally, I think that the 2018 one is much better. I just prefer the design. There's nothing wrong with this one. I really like this design. But out of the two of them, I prefer the one where they're flying over Brighton Pier. I also picked this up in the blue carded Westminster Collection version. Let me just see if I can get that better there. There we go. And as always, I've bought this so that I can put it into my date run. So at some point I'm going to be taking out of its blue card and putting it into my folder. So that's really cool. So let me know in the comment section below. Did you buy the Brilliant Uncirculated versions or have you bought the silver proof? And also, I want to know, has anybody bought the gold proof edition? Let me know in the comments section below because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.